Here's how to get Excel on your Mac for free. Now, if you wanted Microsoft Excel to be able to edit an Excel file or maybe just share it with someone, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up a web browser on your Mac here. I'm going to use Safari. You can use Chrome. It doesn't really matter. And on here on Google, we're going to type in Microsoft 365. Now, once we go there, we're going to tap on Login to Microsoft 365. And you're going to log in to your Microsoft account. If you haven't created one, you can just create one. It's completely free. Now, on here, you can see Word document, PowerPoint, and Workbook or Excel. I can tap on Excel here, and it will open up an Excel spreadsheet on here. You can see this is the web-based version, which is completely free and has all the functionality of the normal app for your Mac. Now on here, I can say something like equals 5 plus 2. Nope, it's not typing here. I can hit equals 5 plus 2. And you can see it works just like Excel. It shows 7. Now, at the top left, I can tap on File. I can choose to open an Excel file if I already have one on my Mac. And then I can also go down and I can tap on Share to email this if I wanted to email it. And I can even hit Create a Copy and Download a Copy. I'll hit Allow here and it will download a copy of this Excel file directly on my Mac. Again, from there, I can save it on my Mac. I could print out that file. I could email it. I can do whatever I want with it at that point. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.